Danny. I am the country manager of Canva Philippines. Very good. It's always nice to see MSMEs and especially women business owners. I'm always happy to support the community. So thank you, Go Negosyo, for inviting Canva once again, and happy International Women's Day to all our Filipino business owners. I think it's really important, diba? One, congratulations for how far we've come and how far we've achieved together. There's more that we can achieve, and we hope that Canva can be your assistant in your businesses so that we can see you really achieve your goals and hit your business goals together. An empowered woman is someone who's true to herself, is authentic, helps uplift others, and at the same time uses her voice to further progress and not just achieve their own goals, but to help others' communities achieve their goals as well. Well, to Go Negosyo and to Sir Joey, first, congratulations on another successful event. Go Negosyo has really paved the way for a lot of business owners in the country. So best of luck, and I hope you continue to do this because the impact is massive and we really want to work together in uplifting the MSME community